Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, me do my eyebrow. Y'all will be seeing a before and after picture. Anyway guys, when the hear me sound stuffy, I have been way under the weather. I've been way under the weather. Today is Saturday, I think it's the 18th. My birthday was on the 14th. I didn't even pick up the camera on my birthday. I was so sick, guys. Running nose, feeling terrible. I had to work and all that, so I didn't feel good. So I didn't pick up the camera. And throughout the week, I was so busy up and down, running back and forth to do this, to do that, to prepare things for Christmas. We didn't even go out to celebrate my birthday. We're going to do so. Maybe not this weekend because we still have a lot to do. But before we head back to school, we're officially on vacation now. As in a summer, winter break, Christmas break from school and work. 2 weeks we get away out. Oh, I'm so happy. What else? So we have a bunch of things to get done. So as we go along, we'll take you guys along with us. Oh no, I have bag under the eye and I want to look so smooth out. Anyway guys, it was also Alex's birthday on the 14th as well. I baked him a cake on Thursday because I got my sickness. I got my cold, this flu from Alex. Alex had it first, passed it on to me. I know I'm recovering. Matthew now has it. So I hope you don't catch Jamoy and Maya. And no guys, don't recommend no pharma pill, no pharma remedy, no pharma whatever, because this family here taking pills, especially me and Alex. So nature have to take its course and this thing get better by its own self, because I hate taking pills. I hate taking medication. So what else?
Après, je fais quoi?
Moon, draw moon.
Quoi?
And lune, la lune.
La lune?
Pleine
ou... Pleine ou...
Pleine.
Pleine?
Draw full moon. So Maya is here doing her homework. Jomo is outside playing with his friends. Alex was at a party last night. He just came back with her. So I think he's sleeping by now. And Matthew just wake up almost 12 o'clock, 11:30. And Matthew just wake up.
J'ai appris à faire les bougies.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Y'all will see bits here and there. And comment down below and tell me how my eyebrows look. This is the first time. I already shaped them up, but this is the first time I add like a color to it. This one, I don't know how it looks so, but this one is popping. I like it. And the story behind this eyebrow, I took the appointment to do my eyebrow and my eyelashes. First time in my life I can do eyelashes, you know. You can do extension, not the eyelash itself, you stick on some, but one strand figure attach them. Wow, that look nice. Wow, look at this candle that Maya draw, guys. What's on there? It's too bright, Maya. Look at the candle that Maya draw. It can look nice, she can draw. My daughter artist. Yes, as I was saying, I took an appointment to do my eyebrows and my eyelashes. Only figure find out, say, if you install the lashes, it would have cost €75. I take it back and say, no, I never want to do it, because what if I don't like it? What if one of them dropping on my eye? What if one bag of something happen? And worse than the first time I got do it. So one bag of what if start pop up in my head, and I eventually didn't get it done. I don't regret. I have mascara, so if I need to do something to me eyelashes, just whip up little mascara on it, and that's because I'm not a makeup person. This is the first time with my eyebrows like white steel. I like it, but makeup is not for me. And we wear lip gloss or lip balm, but lipstick, no, I've never wear lipstick. Maybe try on, but wear lipstick, no, that's not me. Anyway, guys, you will see me throughout this video.
Ella.
So this is the before and after look. I'm going to get my eyebrows done. And this is the before look. See, y'all will see the after look. We can't see good guys on my eye. We have appointment at 10:30 and now it's 10:20. Alright, so catch you guys later.
Puis, du, même, alors, toujours, trop, aussi, déjà, mamie, une mamie, un chat, une mamie, un chat, des
Use the fingers to point.
adopter la vérité, une étoile, une étoile, la fête, filmer des pommes, de l'or, une tarte, une armoire,
So guys, we went to a store the other day to buy shoes for Jamal. We bought this shoe. We went out of town, you know, to buy these shoes along with some other item. Only if you come back home, tell Jamal to try on the shoes. When you look, it's two right footer shoes. We have them over a week now. No, to them make the 8 days, yes, over a week now. And we'll carry them back. So we carry them to a branch near us. And then say we can't change them over there because we didn't buy them over there. And the other pair is at the store that we bought them. So I guess we're gonna carry them back to the same store and see if we can get a different shoe. But I really love these shoes. I might have a similar shoes, but they want them because I like the Christmas. So this is one of our missions today, is to take back this shoe for Jamal. Watch him. Come inside the vehicle. So guys, we just came back. We just went and changed Jamal's shoe. The same place I carry shoes go yesterday, people. Imagine I carry shoes go this to the people I'm change yesterday and tell them that the other stores say they ought to change the shoes and give away the two same foot. Then tell me no, then tell me no, they cannot do it. But yet still Matthew went there just now. Me just play like me I buy something at the shop and walk around the shop. I might get it changed. Then the woman I go say, because the boss wasn't there yesterday, she shouldn't want to take any responsibility for the shoes. So that's why she didn't change it for me. And change it for myself. But anyway, that's done. We got the shoes changed. And I'm happy.
Not because you I love you.
Not you? Alright, so supermarket, here we come. So guys, it's the next day. It's the next day. We went out for dinner last night for my birthday. I had a surprise because I didn't know that Matthew had made reservations for the full family to go out to have dinner. That video will be coming up next week or later this week. And we came home, got ready, and left for dinner. We all had a wonderful time at the dinner. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.